Self confidence is a superpower. Once you believe in yourself, miracle starts happening. I'm Mahinder Singh. I welcome all of you to my official YouTube channel, Government Naukri Latest News. Friends, in this video, I will be covering the employment news of 4th week of May 2021. Without any delay, let's start video. Let's start employment news of 22 to 28 May 2021. Water harvesting issues, policy and constraints. Water harvesting issues, policies continues. National Automotive Testing and R&D Infrastructure Project. Applications are invited for the post of Director GARC on absorption, deputation or contract basis. Last date of receipt application 5 July 2021 on or before 5 pm. Official website www.natrip.in. National Water Development Agency advertisement number 07/2021 where applications are invited for various posts: Junior Engineer Civil, Hindi Translator, Junior Accounts Officer, Upper Division Clerk, Stenographer Grade 2, Lower Division Clerk, and official website www.nwda.gov.in. Date of commencement online application 10 May 2021. Last date of submission of online application 25th June 2021. Institute for Stem Cell Science and Regenerative Medicine. Advertisement number in STEM.01/2021 for the post of Reader, Assistant Professor, Assistant Investigator, Scientist E in Level 13, one post reserved. Official website www.instem.res.in. Last date of receipt application is before 2nd June 2021. Join Indian Army Recruiting Directorate website. अधिकारी प्रविष्टि अल्प सेवा कमीशन गैर तकनीकी जेएजी भर्ती योजना 27वां पाठ्यक्रम पुरुष और महिला विधि स्नातकों के लिए अक्टूबर 2021 में निर्धारित आवेदन आमंत्रित किए जाते हैं। आवेदन ऑनलाइन की अंतिम तिथि 6 मई 2021 से 4 जून 2021 तक ओपन है। CSIR नेशनल जियोफिजिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट एडवर्टाइजमेंट नंबर NGRI Group 3/3 2021 dated 23 April 2021. Applications are invited for the post of technical assistant, technical officer, senior technical officer 1 or senior technical officer 2. Last date of receipt application is 14 June 2021. Official website www.ngri.org.in. Officers entry. Application are invited for Short Service Commission NT JAG entry scheme 2T7 post for men and women law graduate schedule in October 2021. Online applications are open from 6 May 2021 to 4 June 2021. NBCC India Limited, advertisement number 07/2021 dated 18 May 2021. NBC invited application for various posts, that is management trainees, HRM E1, IDA pay scale is 40,000 to 1,40,000, number of posts 5, unreserved for OBC 1. Junior Hindi translator S2, IDA pay scale rupees 24,640, open-ended, number of posts 2. Application last date is up to 21st June 2021 evening 1700 hours. Official website www.nbccindia.com. Army Marksmanship Unit Muhau invites for application for a coach, 10-meter air rifle and 50-meter 3 positions, physiotherapist and measures. QR for rifle coach, QR for physiotherapist and QR for measures yani massager. Application last date is up to 14 June 2021 and also on email at marksmanship@nick.in. National Capital Region Transport Corporation Limited, a joint venture of Government of India. Vacancies notice vacancy are invited for the post of junior design expert, additional design expert, deputy architect, assistant site associate, assistant design expert, assistant architect, associate architect. Application last date of issuing is 20 days from the date of issue of vacancy of notice. Official website www.ncrtc.in. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. Applications are invited from eligible officers under the central, state or union territories for the autonomous or statutory organization or public sector undertaking or university as a one post of Hindi instructor at Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy. Official website www.sppnpa.gov.in/vacancies. Ministry of Fisheries, Animal Husbandry, Dairying, Department of Fisheries, New Delhi. Recruitment of one post for Senior Instructor, Naval Architecture, Group A, gazetted non-ministerial in the pay band 3. Last date of application within a period of 60 days from the date of application of this advertisement in the employment news, along with the copies of APRPS for the last 5 years. National Highways Authority of India, Ministry of Road Transport and Highways, application are invited for the post of General Manager, Finance, number of posts to pay band 4. Last date of application is issued by 21st June 2021 by 6 pm. Official website https://nhai.gov.in. Goa Shipyard Limited, shipbuilders, ship repairs and engineers. Unmatchable track record of execution and delivery. Application are invited for the direct recruitment. Name of the post: General Fitter, Electrical Mechanic, Commercial Assistant, Mumbai Office, Technical Assistant QA, Unskilled, FRP Laminator, EOT Crane Operator, Welder, Structural Filter, Nurse, Technical Assistant, Commercial Mumbai Office, Technical Assistant Store, Trainees for Khalasis. Application are to reach by between as 14 June 2021. Official website is recruitment@goashipyard.com. मेरा हर काम देश के नाम। नेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ फाउंड्री एंड फोर्ज टेक्नोलॉजी NIFT हटिया रांची एडमिशन नोटिस फॉर PhD एडवांस डिप्लोमा कोर्सेज कोर्स सीट अवेलेबिलिटी PhD फोर्ज टेक्नोलॉजी डिपार्टमेंट DS डिपार्टमेंट और MME डिपार्टमेंट ईच वन Advanced Department for Foundry Technology and Forge Technology 58, 57 respectively. Cabinet Secretariat, National Authority Chemical Weapons Convention, filling up for one post each of Joint Director and Technical Officer in the NACWC Cabinet Secretariat on deputation basis regarding. Application last date for issuing is 5th June 2021. Official website www.nacwc.nic.in. ASC unit of 71 sub area of headquarter Northern Command recruitment notice 01/2021. Application are invited from eligible Indian nationals male candidate to fill up following vacancies of Group C in ASC unit of 71 sub area headquarter Northern Command. Name of the post: civilian motor driver, vehicle mechanic total 1, fireman total 3, labor total 10, carpenter 01. Written test will be conducted. Subject will be Part 1 General Intelligence, Part 2 English Language, Part 3 Numerical Aptitude, Part 4 General Awareness including trade specimen questions. Number of questions 150, marks 150, total duration 2 hours. Negative marking 0.25 marks for each wrong answer. Application last date receiving is 21 days from the date of publication of this advertisement notice in the Employment News and an other newspaper. Terminal Ballistics Research Laboratory, Chandigarh. Interview through video conferencing for the position of Junior Research Fellow JRF at TBRL. Position Junior Research Fellow JRF Physics. Eligibility postgraduate in Physics in first division with NAT. Number of posts 2. Last date of application to issue 1st June 2021. Official website admin tbri@tbri.drdo.in. Last date of receipt of application is prescribed pro forma by email on before 4 June 2021 by Friday. Tata Memorial Center, Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel, Mumbai. Positions are available. Post vacancies are Tata Memorial Center, Tata Memorial Hospital, Parel. Positions are available. Designation Professor of Surgical Oncology, Professor of Radiation Oncology, Professor of Anesthesiology, Professor of Medical Oncology, Professor of Pathology, Assistant Professor E. Dental and Prosthetics Surgery, Assistant Professor E. Anesthesiology, Assistant Professor E. Radiation Oncology, Assistant Professor E. Intervention Radiology, Assistant Professor E. Surgical Oncology, Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology Pediatric, Assistant Professor E. Radio Diagnosis, Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology Solid Tumor, Assistant Professor E. Nuclear Medicine, Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology, Assistant Professor E. Medical Oncology Adult Hematolymphoid, Assistant Professor E. Palliative Medicine, Assistant Radiologist D, Assistant Pathologist D. Last date of online receipt of application by 28 May 2021 up to 5:30 p.m. Government of India, Department of Food and Public Distributions. Vacancies are circulation. Application are invited for filling up the post of chairperson in the Warehousing Development and Regulatory Authority WDRA set up by Government of India. Last date of receipt of this application by 45 days from the date of application in the Employment News. Official website is usstz.fpd@nic.in. Competition Commission of India notice filling of post of DDG in the office of the DG CCI on deputation basis. Name of the post Deputy Director General. Number of the post 9. Pay scale 13A. Date of receipt last application 18 June 2021. Official website www.cci.gov.in. HIL India Limited. HIL India Limited has invited application for the post of DGM Tech, Deputy Manager MAC or regular basis and Marketing Officer on fixed tenure basis. Wide advertisement public in Employment News 3rd April 2021. Last date is extended up to 29 May 2021. Official website www.hil.gov.in. National Institute of Fashion Technology, Srinagar. Advertisement number 01/2021. Applications are invited for the various posts. Name of the post: Steno Grade 2, Assistant Finance, Accounts, Assistant Warden Female, Mechanical, Machine Mechanic, Library Assistant, Junior Assistant, Lab Assistant FD, Lab Assistant FC, Lab Assistant IT, Driver, MTS यानी Multitasking Staff. Date of the last application online submission of form by 21st June 2021 at 5:30 p.m. Official website www.nift.ac.in/Srinagar/careers. Sainik School, Kajakutam, CBSE Residential School. Applications are invited for the various posts on permanent or contractual basis. Name of the post: TGT English, vacancy 1, Art Master, vacancy 1, Counselor 01, Matron Warden 02 each, ZE Ladies 02, Lady PTA 01, PGT Chemistry 01, TGT Computer Science 01, PGT Physics 01. Mumbai Metro Rail Corporation Limited. Recruitment advertisement number 2021/03 Mumbai Metro Corporation Limited. Application invited for the post of General Manager Accounts, Deputy General Manager Accounts. Last date of receipt application 10 May 2021 at 1000 hours and will end application date will 25th June 2021. Official website www.mmrcl.com. Bharat Sarkar, Government of India, Ministry of Defence, R&D Organization, DRDO, Research and Innovation Center, RIC, Chennai. Advertisement for the post selection of Junior Research Fellowship, JRF, title of Fellowship, JRF, minimum eligibility postgraduate degree in materials science, physics, applied science with first class, and number of the post is 1. Application for the last date within the 21 days from the date of publication in the advertisement of the application in newspaper. Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India, advertisement for filling up the post of engineer member in Delhi Development Authority in level 14 in the pay matrix. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, National Police Academy, Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, Applications are invited from eligible officers under the central state government for filling up the post of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy by deputation for the following post: Assistant Director, Scientific Aids, System Administrator, Deputy Superintendent of Police, Assistant Commandant, TRG/General, Senior Scientific Officer, Private Secretary, Assistant Library and Information Officer, and Junior Scientific Officer. Indian Institute of Technology, Mandi, Kamand, Himachal Pradesh, India. Applications are invited for the post of Technical Officer, Sports Officer, Junior Technical Superintendent, Junior Superintendent, Junior Superintendent Rajbhasha, Junior Engineer Civil, Junior Lab Assistant Technical, Junior Assistant. Total post 43. Online application last date is 4th June 2021 by 1700 pm and official website is www.iitmandi.ac.in. Tata Memorial Centre, a grant in aid institute under Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India, full-time medical positions available. Last date of online application is 27 May 2021. Defense Research and Development Organization यानी DRDO, Defense Research and Development Laboratory DRDL, advertisement for the award of Junior Research Fellowship. Following post: Junior Research Fellow JRF 01, when total vacancy, tentative number of vacancies 07, Junior Research Fellow JRF 2, Aeronauticals, Aerospace and Engineer, tentative vacancy R3. For the post of Junior Research Fellowship JRF 01, Mechanical Engineering, tentative number of vacancy is 07. Application last date is 30 days from the date of application or publication in the Employment News or before 14 June 2021 as per DoT website notification. Continue from page number 2, water harvesting issues and policies. Continue from page number 1, career in Indian Army. News Digest. National News. DCGI approves Phase 2/3 clinical trial of Covaxin in the age of group 2 to 18 years. 1.5 lakh unit of Oxycare system to be procured through PM CARES. PM Modi speaks with Bhutanese counterpart, discusses COVID-19 situation. Nearly 34.57 lakhs farmers benefited from ongoing Rabi marketing season's procurement operations by government. Cabinet approves signing of MOU between ICAI and QFCA. International Digest. Bangladesh conducts first test run for metro train in Dhaka. EU member welcome India's efforts to distribute COVID-19 vaccines to over 19 countries. European Union. Foreign Secretary Sringla welcomes new US charge d'affaires ambassadors. Economy. US says India will be world's fastest growing major economy in 2022. Government relaxes provisions of Income Tax Act. Central government to issue sovereign gold bonds. Sports Digest. Manchester City crowned 2022-2021 English Premier League Championship. Alexander Zverev beat Matteo Berrettini to clinch his second Madrid Open title. So friends, if you want to see this newspaper in Hindi, please go to my description box and there is a video link. You can go through that link. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Small steps in the right direction can be turned to be the biggest step of your life. So friends, it was all about employment newspaper of May 2021 of 4th week in English. See you next Friday with employment newspaper. धन्यवाद. जय हिंद, जय भारत.